Hey guys, so we are reviewing international Etsy stores, looking at what they're doing well, what they could be doing better, and ways they can expand their sales even more. So today we're going to look at Covic3D. Interesting title there, very close to COVID, which I wouldn't expect folks to want to use. But hey, you're from Germany. I don't know what your opinions are. But Ivan, let's take a look. Very good logo. Good number of sales, 3D printing services and gifts. That's all good. I would recommend putting in a header up here. The header allows people to link to your website and gives you a more formal looking store. Reviews seem to be in a good spot for this number of sales, 414 sales. Excellent work. Good job, man. Let's see what you got here. Oh, busts of stuff. Oh, are you painting things? Are these painted? These are cool. Hand painted. Oh, good on you, man. This is tough. This is tough stuff to do. I want to show the video here just so that other people can see this. This you're doing printing at home and painting this stuff. Like, good on you. And you're charging appropriately and maybe even too cheaply for that. Oh, good work on you, man. But let's see here. Let's look at this listing and see what we can do. You have a video. Good job. Video gets you bumped up in search rankings. Scorpion bust, hand-painted, unique pop culture art display. I might recommend using a search term like gift, like a gift for movie fans, that kind of stuff. Because a lot of the people on Etsy who are shopping are girls buying stuff for their boyfriends, quite frankly. And this is that type of an item. So you want to say like gift for boyfriend inside the title so that it pops up when people are searching for those type of things. These are really impressive pieces of art. Like, good work on that. The product photography is good. I would recommend reframing it because you're cropping the outer edges of these because Etsy truncates it in these search results, and it'd be better if it was centered perfectly. A few of these have really distinct silhouettes like Wolverine and that kind of stuff, but like Swamp Thing might need a little bit more context. So the product photography could be improved a little bit to get better click-through rates. Let's see what other items you have going on here. PlayStation 5. Let's look at one of these stands. Okay, so there's a vase mount. Oh, a vase mount for a very particular monitor. Good idea. It'd be good if you could take a couple more pictures of it, because having only one picture means Etsy's not going to show this to anybody. Like, they're really persnickety about that. If there's only one photo, they're not going to advertise it at all. They're not going to do anything. Oh, make sure you're running ads, especially for those previous painted items. Make sure you're running ads on those. What are the main sales you got here? Okay, you got this one reviewed. I want to see what this was. This is a tray holder lip. Oh, that's great. What a nice little accessory. Oh, good idea. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff you could sell a bunch of. Don't need to put easy install inside the title. That's not useful. Nobody Googles easy install. They Google MG4 2023 EV phone rail, that kind of stuff. So the title is really about the keywords, not really about a description of your stuff. That's what the description is for, and the video and the photos and that kind of stuff. So that could be improved a bit. This photo also could be simplified down a little bit. Like if you framed off the bottom, this bottom edge right here, this is confusing detail that you don't really need. So that could get out of there. The description, pretty good description. The description could be a little bit longer, maybe put in some instructions, again, more keywords about what the item is. That would improve your sales on this. Other than that, looks good. Shipping, ships from Croatia, and it doesn't ship to the United States. Oh, here is a way for you to radically increase your number of sales. I mean, you're doing fine within the EU, I assume. But if you want to ship to the United States, what you can do is Slant3D has a plugin where you can upload a 3D model, and whenever somebody orders that particular item, it will print and ship inside of the United States. So the print farm is inside the United States, and it's fully automatic. So you don't have to do anything. You would just create a US version of this listing and then match up a file to it. And then whenever somebody makes this order, Slant3D will print it and ship it to that customer. Then you can offer free shipping inside the United States and still charge pretty much the same price, maybe a little bit more. But then you get to sell inside the United States, and you don't have to ship across an ocean. And people don't have to wait for it to ship across an ocean. And you still have similar pricing. And as your store grows, you get more 3D printers without having to buy more 3D printers. So it's a really good way to radically increase your store because you can get a lot more listings, you can get access to US customers, and you don't have to pay international shipping, and people don't have to wait for international shipping. So that's a really easy way to expand your sales for a lot of these types of items, especially for these single color types of ones. Obviously, the painted items, you can't do much with that because you have to paint them, and Slant3D is not going to paint them for you. But beyond that, this is all really good. Oh, make sure you run sales occasionally. Sales are really, really useful because they increase. They don't just tell people, they don't just put stuff on sale. Whenever you put something on sale, everybody gets a notification that it's on sale. That's what you want. You want the email. So anybody who follows you will remember, oh yeah, I have a birthday coming up finally. So now I can I buy that because I'm reminded that I did like that 3 months ago. So put some stuff on sales. Make sure you're running ads. Use Slant3D to get US distribution so your store can grow. And but other than that, try to get up above 20 listings. But other than that, you seem to be doing really well. Photos look really good. Overall layout is fine. Put a header in there. Keep your reviews up. But there's a few core places that you can grow by improving thumbnail framing, better search engine titles, and using the Slant3D plugin so you get US distribution. So you get all of those new consumers that are equivalent to Europe. That'd be a big deal for you.